tetanus because I got bit by a dog about 6 years ago.
Oh yeah.
So it lasts 10 years with tetanus.
It does,
doesn't
yes, it does.
So I thought, I'll just let it go. But all I said to Linda, I said, you ought to tell your sister, that dog is a dangerous dog, she shouldn't be letting it out. I said, I'm a frigging big lump, I weigh 20 stone.
Yeah.
I said, but it still hurts.
Yeah.
It still bloody hurts. But it's better. Why would it bite for no reason?
Sorry, this is
Sherlock.
on video now. This is on video. This is on YouTube. He's overexcited, but he's not.
You've got no idea why it bite for absolutely no reason.
No, I don't know. But if there'd been food around or something, but you
I
just
kept my
don't know.
hands in the front. I knew it was. I walked away from
Maybe
it.
he thought you had something in your hand or something. You didn't wave around or shout, no.
Nothing.
No, that's the worry. The worst is when they, if they bark, at least you've got a warning. Yeah.
I once had a few beers, I forgot about it.
What? Yeah. Well, as long as it didn't. Yeah, but the tetanus is painful.
Just made me a tiny
Yeah,
bit
that,
nervous. You know, the last few days
Yes.
I've been walking my dog. It's made me a little bit more nervous.
it does. Of course it does.
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
I'm not a nervous person.
No, I know what you mean. She's getting pissed off with the puppy. She's gonna. Oh, he's 12. He's an old boy. He's beyond all this now. He used to be like that though. Oh yes. Well, now you've got a YouTube video now that we carried on talking. And yeah.
So it's Sherlock wrestling with the 6-month-old who's
Sherlock Holmes, and he's I can't remember his name, but he's a sheng. He's
Why,
a
do you
dog.
walk him for other people, dear?
Oh no. He's my neighbour's dog. So
so you're
yes.
walking your neighbour's dog,
That's
yeah?
all. Yes, I said. Yeah, I did say.
And what's the name of the big dog? This is your dog.
That's Falcon. He's
Falcon.
like the bird. Yeah.
Wow.
I forget the boy's name.
Is he blind in one eye? His eyes look dark, don't they?
No. Hope he hasn't gone funny.
Oh no, he's
No. Gosh, you worried me there.
I seen you at the cafe.
Yes, I often go to the cafe. Yes, I'm into cafe. Like, vegans, of course. He's vegan. Yeah.
Now, I've always found that hard to believe.
Yes, the cat is too. Doesn't it? Doesn't need. It just needs nutrients, doesn't it?
Oh my God.
Yeah, you just need nutrients. The cat is. Yeah. If you look on when you see your video, 2 or 3 videos earlier, you'll see my cat, 5-year-old.
Good Lord.
Indoor cat. I mean, it costs me money, but you see, all the essential, the thing that they have in the cat food called taurine, in normal cat food, is all put in there because when the flesh is killed, the taurine dies, and without that, the cats die. Oh, right. So it's a waste of time giving them flesh, isn't it? If you have to add the taurine, it makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Makes sense that if there's a nutrient that is essential to the cat. See, dogs make it themselves. Dogs make taurine. Oh, they're at it. Anyway, yes, and now you've met. Yeah, the Alyn Waters. He's at it. It's only dominance and play.
Yeah,
it's not sexual, no.
I've often said that this happens all the while because he's trying to do it.
Yeah.
Another dog do it to him, and I'll say, well, that's a bit of comeuppance for
Yeah.
you. But they don't really know what they're doing.
But
they're
fact,
both
I
males,
love.
aren't they?
Yeah.
So they don't really know what they're doing.
No,
We're
they don't.
gonna get our spade
Hey?
next month.
Oh, right. Get it spayed. Yeah, get the bit spayed because it's just too much trouble. Twice a year, a load of hassle.
She'll be 12 months then.
Yes, it's about the right time. 12 months. Don't leave it too much later. Yeah, but it reduces the health problems in bitches. Yeah, it really does. And I mean, from a walking point of view, two times a year to not go out with your dog for 3 weeks is just painful, isn't it? You end up with for the dog mostly. But I mean, you know.
I always take it out. I'm always taking it out to his house.
Yes.
Have you ever seen the Basset Hound called Diesel that crossed? Diesel when it
No.
done this whole course. Just have a look for it. It's
Oh,
funny.
right.
You'll enjoy it.
Diesel.
Yeah, Diesel.
I'll look
the
him up.
Basset. It does the assault course. Obviously,
Really?
a lot slower than
Yeah,
any of the others.
well, yeah.
But the crowd roar.
Oh, I bet.
Crowd roar.
They were really, they like, they cheer on the underdog, as they say, don't they? Right, well, I'm going to love you. You're going to have the longest video in history at this rate. Okie dokies. Well, I'm delighted.